How to get your drafts back on TikTok after you delete the app. So go ahead and open your TikTok application. Go to your profile tab. Once you're in this page where your drafts are nowhere to be seen, screenshot and save this as we will be needing it later. Now proceed to the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem. In this page, you can see the Topics tab, and under this, on the very bottom of the page, you can click on Submit a Report. Attach the screenshot we took a while ago and add a short message on how you want to recover your drafts. Submit this, and after a couple of days, TikTok will reach out and get back your drafts on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.